These delicious yellow flowers were founded by the creator of R.S. Dingleberg. They taste great. See what I mean? Here we've got some pretty little grass leaf things. They were created by Britain's most handsome, gorgeous Steinstein. Oh, and they taste quite good. See what I mean? Here, we have some delicious looking dark green leaves. They almost look like 3-leaf clovers. They were founded by the creator of Canada's own magical pony rides. I don't know what that means, but that's what the teleprompter says, so I'm gonna say it. And they taste quite magical, don't they, Mikey? See what I mean? So here we have some dead-looking pine plant shrubbery. I don't know how these ones will taste. They were first introduced by R.F. Walkland. What's a Walkland? I don't know. Let's see if they taste good. Shall we, Mikey? See what I mean? Here, we have a pile of leaves where squirrels usually like to go under and hope that they don't get squashed by giant feet. Also, many people hide grapes under these piles of leaves, just as a safekeeping area. How are they, Mikey? Tastes like blood! Finally, we've come to the menacing river. Not much is known about rivers, but scientists believe that they originated when giants in Malaysia killed everyone and created landslides from the depths of hell. Anyways, the rivers flew over the Rocky Mountains, through the United States, into Canada, into Alberta, where we are now. Let's see how it tastes. Mikey? Well, everyone, that's our show. Join us next time when we go looking for bears.
Bears?
Bears!